Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how Temu prices are so cheap. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are contemplating about how Temu prices are so cheap, you can simply have an idea that Temu offers extremely low prices by utilizing a direct from factory consumer to manufacturer, that is C2M model, that eliminates any middleman, wholesaler, and retail markup. So, by shipping directly from manufacturers in China to consumers, they slash logistics, warehousing, and marketing cost. This helps the prices to remain so cheap and affordable. So, Temu relies on an exemption that allows goods under $800 to enter the US duty free market. So manufacturers compete in reverse auction to offer the lowest price, using consumer data to match production with real-time demand, reducing waste. So this is how Temu prices are so cheap. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.